Hello party people, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here today at the Taylors Falls Bead Store as usual, although it's not Friday, it's Thursday. Just saying. We are here with Amber.
Hello. Sorry, I've got my nose in a book. Randy's got a new book, but I think I might have to steal it from her.
I know a guy, I know where you could get one.
Do you?
I do.
It's not like we sell these here or anything.
Right.
I flipped open this book and instantly there is rock after rock after rock that I've never seen in a rock book, especially talking about the metaphysical properties. So I'm stoked out of my mind, and it's a cute, simple little book, so it's like right to the point. It's like this one here, I was telling her, we have these beads and they're very beautiful, but they're listed as green zebra jasper. The real stone name is chrysotile. How fabulous is that? And then boom, what it does for you physically, psychologically, spiritually, special notes, chakras it works with, correspondence for your astrological signs, the type of crystal, the type of formation of stone, its hardness, and its formula, its chemical formula.
It's smashing, that's why I had to get it. Show the cover of the book.
Crystal Basics, a pocket encyclopedia. 450 gemstones. I'm getting this. I'm buying this today.
I'm getting
this. It's going to be mine.
I'm getting this. I already got this.
You might have to fight me for it.
You got to get your own.
I'm going to start drooling on it. If you lick it, it's yours.
If you lick it, it's yours. New rules by Amber. If you lick it, it's yours. YouTube's going to love that. All right. Let's let Amber get it together here for a second.
All right, I'm focusing, readjusting. I want to know, are they going to talk about Shiva Lingams? We were just talking about this. I'm sorry, I'm distracted.
She's going to look it up in the book. These are
take me anywhere.
Shiva Lingams. Can't take me anywhere. True story. This is what they look like.
They have it in the book.
Let's see. What's it say in the book?
Mostly quartz, which is true. If you look up Shiva Lingam online, it'll say it's a cryptocrystalline quartz. All right.
So we were just discussing
spiritual healing, excellent catalyst for earth healing, stimulates movement of the Kundalini energy. That's what we were talking about. Balancing feminine and masculine energies, grounds and anchors the spirit, symbolizes attainment of wisdom, creates atmosphere of sacred space, aligns the self between heaven and earth. I am so happy. If I was a cat, I'd be purring. I'd purr anyway.
We did pretty good with the whole situation with that. Okay, here I go.
I'm calm down now. Bring it down now.
Okay. Here's the stuff that we're looking at today. So these are things that I was just like, Amber, let's just talk about these items, because these are some items that we're gonna have for sale on the website in like this week, next week, the week after that. So
let's talk about them. These ones we just got in. Actually, literally all of this we just got in. It's all just been unpacked like within days.
Yeah.
So Randee Brown is
I'm on it.
Fresh on it. These guys we have not had for a long time. They are a shape that actually is pretty vintage. I don't think they're called cathedral. I think they have a special other name, but I can't remember.
They're huge. I love them.
And I love that blue.
Everybody knows I love me some chunky monkey.
Pretty much just want to eat them.
Yeah. I was just like, oh, those are for me. Yeah, don't lick your beads. We're just putting that out there as a disclaimer.
Don't do it. You're going to want to because they're so delicious, but don't actually. Okay, then we were talking about these guys, which are like an Art Deco beautifulness. I love how the lines in the glass are different. You got like the blue silver and the gold and the pink silver. And these guys are just so versatile. You just want to play with them. They go with everything, especially if you have a super gorgeous moon face bead. I was like, oh my gosh, can you do one above, one below? Can you frame it? Is that too much for an earring? I don't know. And there's these, which are also kind of retro-y. And they have all the different colors of the base glass, and then the colors of the laser etching finish are slightly different. Like you've got the gold on the reddish orange, silver on the blue. And those look great with the moons too. They play so nice together.
And I like that the moons are double-sided.
Yes. You don't have to fight. You get both.
Yeah.
You get the new moon, and the full moon.
That's a smash.
Or maybe you want to call that the quarter moon. I don't know. I see it as a new moon and the full moon. You see it however you want to. Fine. We can both be right.
We can.
Sea turtles with the beautiful, shiny, high gloss laser etch, and then the satin matte.
Nice.
Oh, these are double-sided as well. Color shifting, no less.
1 second, my camera's wigging out.
So I was all stuck on these moons, but there's also the frosty, super beautiful frosty iridescent.
I like those. Very
These would be very beautiful with those kyanites that you just got. Fun fact, these kyanites are not dyed. That is their natural color.
That's actually going to be smashing. I didn't even think of that. I was thinking the turtles.
It's stupidly wonderful, actually, if you ask me.
Can we see it with the turtles?
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking kyanite with the turtles.
Heck yeah, that's gorgeous.
With the satiny turtles.
Oh, satiny turtles.
Well, either turtles.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that. I love that.
Either turtles will work.
I said this earlier. This is why you're the boss.
I declared myself the boss. Yes, there's so much goodness.
And then you've got a tree of life, stone inlay. Well, stone, quote unquote. It's a artificial replica stone. I don't think this is real malachite. Maybe it is though, but I don't think it is. Anyway, tree of life, incense holder, gorgeous. Feather or leaf, however you want to see it. Again,
I thought feather.
We can both be right.
Yeah, I thought feather originally.
And then let's not forget the moonstone.
Oh yes, let's talk about it.
So this is not your traditional rainbow moonstone. This is a creamy moonstone or a white moonstone. Kind of looks like selenite.
It does look like selenite.
Super beautiful. That would look good with the moons too, huh? And then
I didn't even think of that.
New jade.
Oh, new jade.
New jade is the name of this color of jade. It is new jade, but it's also new jade.
It's the new.
New.
It's the new jade.
New. It's jade. Super beautiful. These are great.
Wait.
Together.
So what's this? What do you mean? It's a new color?
No, the color. This. Okay. This color of jade is called new jade.
I'm zooming in. Yes. Okay.
And we just brought it upstairs, so it's new jade.
Yes.
But I mean, yeah, it's green, but this type of green, you'll always see it tagged as new jade.
Okay. Good to know.
I don't know the history on that. You know what? I bet this book has it.
Oh, we're gonna do some research for science.
Jade. I flipped right to it, you guys.
Did you? No way.
Yes.
Yes, she did.
There's black, blue,
Okay.
green is just straight up green. And they are calling it nephrite jade, not jadeite. And now lavender jade, they're calling jadeite. I love this book.
Okay.
A little more every moment. Okay.
You have to get one.
Red jade, white jade, yellow jade.
Come on, new jade.
Nope. They go straight up to jasper.
Oh.
Which I wonder how many jaspers they have.
Oh, probably a million.
Look at us learning. Cassia jasper, Cherry Creek jasper, Ibis jasper, Dragon's blood jasper, leopard skin. Okay, we went on a tangent.
Yeah.
Anyway, no new jade in there.
No new jade. But we have some here, so it's fine.
Squirrel. Okay, then we've got the hearts.
Oh yes, the
The hearts are super wonderful for many reasons. First of all, they're hearts. Second of all, they're stone. Third of all, they're not dyed, they're natural. And then also they're drilled.
Yeah.
So your 2mm round leather can go whoop right through there.
It's a smash.
If you wanted to do that. You do all kinds of fun things.
And they're going to hang appropriately. Uh-oh.
Yes, they will. Alright, what else do we want? Oh yeah, these guys.
These guys.
So, once upon a time, there was a quartz that had all these little caverns called druzy. It's like little mini baby points of quartz all together. It's called druzy. And then somebody came along and said, hey, I've got an idea for that. And they turned it into a pyramid. And then they bonded it with heat and pressure in a vacuum chamber with titanium. Color shift titanium.
So good.
And then they did a cube version.
That's not the super sparkly cube. I got that one in my purse over there.
So we've got these guys. They're so good. I will say, if you were going to handle this with any kind of oiliness on your hands, that will stay on this. So try to have your hands dry if you want to keep that really nice matte finish.
Let's talk about the kitten.
Kitten! Kitten is one of a kind.
Kitten is for me, but they have other shapes.
This is a little prayer kitten. He's so happy and sweet. He's a puzzle box, so you have to figure out which piece, and I'll just cheat right now and tell you. It's this one. That's the first piece.
Okay.
Make sure when you have a puzzle box, you put the right side back in.
Yeah, not like Randee, who just shoved it in there the wrong way and had to get assistance.
You're not the only one. It happens all the time. It's a thing.
Okay.
People get frustrated with the puzzle boxes sometimes. Okay, then you slide it this way.
Woot!
And then you go boop.
Whoop!
And you can put your beads in there.
That's where we put our beads.
You can put fragile crystals in there if you choose. You can put little messages for your sweetheart in there.
You could put incense in there.
You can put affirmations, things that you want to manifest in your life. You can write them up and put them in there with some stones. You can put... You said incense already. I was going to say sage. I'm like, man, maybe not sage. Maybe save sage leaves.
You could put whatever you want in there.
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
Notes from your sweetheart.
If you could use it as a gift, you could put money in there.
That would be the best gift. I would love that gift. Put money in a cat box and give it to me.
In a
Yes.
cat puzzle box.
Yes. Okay. Make sure we got the right side.
Boop. Love it. We love it. Oh. And then we have this lovely ring.
Citrine.
Wait, I gotta zoom in. And it's bendable, so you can make it fit your finger.
Get the tag out of the way.
Are you surprised I got a citrine and not an amethyst?
This is not for... Wait, I thought you got the amethyst.
No, that's fine.
Shut up. Randy Brown.
I mean, technically citrine is amethyst, whatever.
I mean, they're both right in the cards.
Yeah, but I'm leaving my wheelhouse.
You know what I'm going to do now?
What are you gonna do? Look, she did this cat.
I'm going to look it up in the book.
Oh, the citrine and the amethyst?
Just citrine.
Oh.
Let me see what the book says.
She did to my cat. She gave him a crown. So yeah, this is all the wonderful, spectacular, amazing beads and such and things that will be on Thunderhorse Descendant over the next couple of weeks. And all that, but we're not talking about that. All this things I have over here. We're not talking about those things. Look at those things. What's in there? Oh, those are little fertility goddesses. Yeah, those are going to be in there. All that's going to be in there. Yeah. So yeah, this is how we do it. Oh, here's the turtle. Show them the turtle.
Okay.
So this turtle is for our friend, Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca.
Wait, I'm too close. Do it again. Do it again.
Hi, Rebecca.
Yeah.
Okay. This one doesn't have the little piece that the kitty did. This one has the whole head.
The whole head comes off.
Off with his head. Boop.
Oh, we're going to get in trouble on YouTube for deheading turtles.
And then slide.
Woo.
And then lift. Boop.
Boop.
All the things you can put in there.
So good.
It's almost like a heart shape, too.
Handmade in India. That's where these come from, these little puzzle boxes. And they do have them in a bunch of different little... I gotta get the side view. Yeah, they have them in a bunch of different little shapes and stuffs, things and stuffs.
We have skulls. We have Laughing Buddha, or the Happy Buddha, Buddhai with the belly. We have Buddha's face, the Enlightenment Buddha's face. And then we have some dolphins over there. I'm peeking. Cheating. Don't have them all memorized.
She's like, oh, I didn't know we were going to talk about puzzle
I think we
boxes.
have an angel or two.
Yes, downstairs I saw some more too. But yeah, so anyways, they have lots of different ones. Is the moral of that story.
They're perfectly wonderful.
So we got all kinds of, we got a whole mixy mix of stuff going on here over at the Taylors Falls. Let me flip ya. All right, y'all. Well, we hope y'all have a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. And if you're not, we hope you are now. Got to look at some cool stuff. I will see you in the next one. Bye!